Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna talk about the certifications. मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो पे भी certifications के related बताया था कि like I will be talking about like what type of certifications you need if you are planning to come abroad for US or for Canada, right? What type of things are really in demand right now in 2026 that can help like to get the job easier for you. Okay, so let's get started, right? So if you are from the non-technical background and you are planning to come abroad, right? So what type of field or what type of domain that you can choose? So you can think of like if you are from the non-technical background, you can think of like the Salesforce. Salesforce is the emerging technology right now, which is like leading in the market right now. So you could think of like if you are from the non-technical background, you can learn those skills. Like you can think of like Salesforce administrator as a skills, and you could think of like platform developer certifications. So these are like type of skills and certification that you could think of. अगर आप नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हो, यू कैन थिंक ऑफ लाइक अगर आप बिजनेस एनालिस्ट हो, अगर आप कंसल्टेंट हो, अगर आप डेवलपर हो किसी दूसरी टेक्नोलॉजी में, राइट? अगर आप जावा में हो या किसी भी दूसरी टेक्नोलॉजी में हो, एंड यू वांट टू कम हियर एंड सी लाइक बिकॉज सेल्सफोर्स इज़ एन एमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी राइट नाउ. अगर कहीं पे भी कोई भी बड़ी कंपनीज हो, जैसे डिलाइट है, विप्रो है, एक्सेंचर है, दे ऑल आर लुकिंग फॉर like different type of sectors and domains. So this can be like your first start. You could think of doing those certifications, and if you are in the software sector already and you're thinking like, and maybe like you have ton of experience and you want to come into abroad, you can think of an advanced level. Platform developer certification कर सकते हो आप, Salesforce architect की certifications कर सकते हो. So these are like some of those certifications that are really in demand. And apart from that, अगर आप AI की certifications कर लोगे, right? You can start your certification through Salesforce administrator as a beginner, and then you can do some of those certifications like Agentforce specialist, which is like high in demand right now. And then you have another certifications like Data Cloud. So you can do the research. Trailhead is the platform where you can look around, like it's a free platform which Salesforce has provided. Go and look around the trailheads that you need to do that can help you to perform those skills, right? और free platform है, you don't have to pay for it. आपको जाना है वहाँ पे, अपना account create करना है and log in with your email ID and just start doing those modules that they have mentioned. So that can help you to enhance your skill. So knowing those skills can land you a job here, because right now the technology is evolving everywhere. The market demands like AI innovations, और कहीं भी कोई भी फील्ड है वहाँ पे AI की बात हो ही रही है. तो एक तरीके से आप सोचो कि आप कौन सी सर्टिफिकेशन कर सकते हो. So these are like some of those certifications that can really help you to land your dream job right here in Canada or in US. So मेरा खुद का पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि जिन्होंने भी ये सर्टिफिकेशंस की हैं, दे गेट मोर चांसेस बिकॉज रिक्रूटर्स लुक फॉर दिस सर्टिफिकेशन. सो think and prepare and do these certifications right before landing to these countries. So if you do like this video, just share, subscribe this channel, and do share with someone who is planning to come to abroad. Thank you so much.